Hello everyone, good morning. We're gonna talk about area of composite figures. We want to find area of composite figure. You can decompose the figure into familiar shapes. Okay, what's the meaning of familiar shapes? We talked before area of square. Area of square equal side length times itself. Number 2, area of rectangle equal length multiply width. Number 3, triangle equals half times base times height. Number 4, trapezoid equals half multiply the sum of b1 plus b2 and height, where b1 equals base or refers to base number 1 and b2 refers to base number 2 and h refers to the height. Okay, question number 1. Find the area of composite figure by decomposing or composing into familiar shapes. Okay, question number 1. We have here this shape, so we can decompose this shape into two familiar shapes. Number 1, square, and number 2, triangle. We're gonna talk about number 1. Shape number 1 is square, so we will get the area of square. Area of square equals side length multiply itself. 5 times 5. 5 times 5 equal 25 feet squared. Okay, what about number 2? Shape number 2 is triangle, so it will be half times b times h. B, I wanted to get this base and this height. B equals 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 equals 7 feet. What about height? Height equals 2 plus 5. This is the height. 2 plus 5 equals 7 feet. A2 equals half times 7 times 7. 7 times 7 equals 49. 49 times half equal 24.5 feet squared. What about the total area? Equals A1 plus A2. A1 equals 25. A2 equals 24.5. The result equals 49.5 feet squared. Question number 6. This shape, we can decompose this shape into two shapes. Number 1, trapezoid, and number 2 is triangle. Let's start with shape number 1. Area of trapezoid equals half times b1 plus b2 times height. What is b1? b1, this, equal 12 centimeter. b2 equals 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 equals 19 centimeters. What about the height? Height equals 6 centimeters. Now, let's start with area number 1. A1 equals half times 12 plus 19 times 6. We have here 2 and 6. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. A1 equals 12 plus 19 equals 31. 31 times 3 equals 93 centimeters squared. What about area number 2? Area number 2 equals half times b times h. What is b? And where is h? b and h. H equals 8 centimeters and b equals 12 centimeters. A2 equals half times 12 times 8. 2 and 8, there is a common between them. 2 and 12, there is also common between them, common factor. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 12 equals 48 centimeters squared. Let's get the total area. A equals A1 plus A2. 93 plus 48 equals 141 centimeters squared. We use this calculations to find the area of composite figure. A equals half times B times H equals half times 12 feet times 5 feet equal 30 feet squared. Explain Sophie's error and how to correct her error. Okay, now she get the whole triangle or the greatest triangle. Area of greatest triangle, we can use it A1 or refers to A1 equals half times B times H. Then she get the area. Half times 12, this 12 and this height equals 5 feet. So the answer will be 30 feet squared. But we don't get this shape or this figure. We want to get this composite figure. How we can use this shape to get the area of the shaded figure? Okay, area number 1, we get the greatest triangle. Now we will turn to the smallest triangle, A2. A2 equals half times B times H. Okay, what about the base? B. 12 minus 8 equals 4. H equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. So the area equals half times 4 times 3. There is a common between 2 and 4. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 2 times 3 equal 6 feet squared. Now we get the whole or the greatest triangle and the smallest triangle. Subtract area A1 minus A2 to get the shaded figure. A1 equal 30. 30 minus A2 6. 30 minus 6 equal 24 feet squared. And that's it. Thank you.